Cravings with Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed and today we're making a delicious Matka Kulfi. I've made kulfi many times on my channel in different ways. It's basically just an ice cream. It's a non-churned ice cream. This version is made in a cute little matka, also called a terracotta pot. The clay in the pot helps keep the ice cream cold and it sets really quickly. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. For richness, I'm going to start with a half cup of mixed nuts. I have some almonds, pistachios, cashew nuts, and some golden raisins. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going to process it. The sugar acts as an abrasive and it's going to help to grind this to a smooth powder. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of milk and I'm going to process this again. You want a smooth paste, but if there are some small chunks of nuts, it's totally fine. Look at this texture. Next, I'm going to add 500 ml of milk to my saucepan. I'm going to bring it to the boil. I'm going to add a small pinch of saffron threads. Saffron comes from the crocus flower. The stamens are harvested every year for their aromatic and distinct flavor. It's expensive, so a small pinch goes a long way. Add a quarter cup of sugar and mix it in. Add the ground nut mixture to the pot together with the milk. I don't want to waste any of that mixture in the food processor, so I've added another 2 tablespoons of milk and I'm going to remove any of that paste that's going to be left behind under the blades. And I'm going to add that in. As the milk thickens, notice it's going to start to get a creamy color. Cook this for about 15 minutes or so till the mixture has reduced by half. For ease of pouring into my matkas, I'm going to pour this into a pouring jug. I have 8 little matkas here. Depending on how you thicken the milk, you will get about 6 to 8 small matkas. I'm trying to pour this in very carefully. I've managed to fill 7. It's really going to depend on the size of the matka that you have and how long you've allowed the milk to thicken. This is going into my freezer for about 30 minutes just so the kulfi semi-sets. After it's semi-set, I'm going to add some garnish. Sliced almonds, pistachios, and cashew nuts. Finally, cover these matkas with some foil and they're going to live in your freezer for 30 to 60 days. Just before serving, I leave them out for about 15 minutes and it's ready to enjoy. If you can't find a matka, don't worry, a terracotta pot plugged in at the bottom is also going to work. And if you can't find that, you can just use anything plastic. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings with Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Matka Kulfi. It's such a little treat in a little terracotta pot. You can make this to celebrate a big occasion like Diwali, or you can even make it for any celebration and your family and friends will enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and make sure to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings, and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And follow me behind the scenes. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.